everyone, how are you and welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I'll be showing you how to crochet this tiny DC cluster for fast mask adapter. This is what it looks like. Now, let's get started. The material I'm gonna be using for creating these patterns are polyester yarns, 2 buttons, a pair of scissors, and a crochet hook. This one is 2.75 millimeters. To begin, make slip knot and chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then make slip stitch in chain 1 to have a circle. After that, make chain 3. Then make 5 DC cluster in the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 6 loops in the hook. Then yarn over, pull it through all loops and plus chain 1. Then make 3 chain again to make the second pattern. Turn the work, make 5 incomplete double crochet or double crochet cluster in the chain space. This is the chain space. 1 incomplete double crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 6 loops in the hook. Yarn over, pull it through all loops plus chain 1. The second pattern is done now. Make chain 3 again. Turn the work. This is for the third pattern. Then make 5 double crochet cluster in this chain space or incomplete double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 incomplete double crochet means that you have 6 loops in the hook. Then yarn over, pull it through all loops plus chain 1. Now make chain 1. The third pattern is done now. For the fourth one, make chain 3. Turn the work. Make 5 incomplete double crochet in the chain space or 5 double crochet cluster. It's same. 3, 4, and 5. 5 double crochet means that you have 6 loops in the hook. Yarn over, pull it through all loops plus chain 1. Okay, the 4th patterns are done. You just need to repeat this pattern over and over again until you get the length you desire. This is the last pattern. Before you end it, make 14 chains as a hooker. Then make a slip stitch in the same space on the top of the pattern. Then chain 2 and make slip stitch in this space plus chain 1. Then cut the yarn. The last part, sew on the button. Well, these tiny pairs of double crochet cluster for face mask adapter is ready. It's so beautiful and amazing. It's suitable for girls and boys and it's suitable for kids. Well everybody, I hope you like these patterns. And don't forget to share this video with everyone around you and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching my video and see you again on the next video. Assalamualaikum.